Hey, in this video, I have a situation where I would like to move these cones, right? I want to modify them. So for example, let's say maybe these are teeth for a character. And let's say I want to move them like this. But how do I do it where I modify all three of them at the same time? Well, you might say, let's turn on the symmetry. So I'm going to press X on my keyboard. Now I can see the symmetry's turned on. And now if I go on the side here, I can try to move it. And of course, it's going to do the symmetry, but it's not going to do the middle one, right? And the question is there a tool in zBrush that will allow you to modify an entire row at the same time, essentially just projecting straight forward? So there is a tool for this, or a brush. Instead of using a move tool, what you could do is you can go to your brushes, press M, and then find something called MoveInfinite. And what this will allow you to do is it will project your movement across the entire row, right? So now I can modify these at the same time, which is, there's many situations where this is super useful, especially if you have something really long with a lot of details. So keep that in mind. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next video.